In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a CRM in Monday.com. We're going to walk through the full setup process in a simple, practical way so you can organize leads, manage deals, and keep your sales pipeline easy to track. If you're new to Monday.com, don't worry. This setup is beginner friendly and gives you a strong foundation you can build on later. Start by opening Monday.com and either accessing an existing CRM workspace or creating a new CRM board from scratch. The goal here is to create one central place where your sales activity lives, so you're not jumping between spreadsheets, notes, and messages trying to find important information. If you're creating a new board, choose a layout that feels clean and easy to scan, since your team will likely use it every day. Next, add the key columns you'll need to manage your contacts and deals properly. Include a contact column for the lead or customer name, a company column for the business they belong to, a deal value column so you can estimate revenue, a stage column to show where each opportunity is in the sales process, an owner column to indicate who is responsible for the deal, and a follow-up date column so nothing slips through the cracks. These columns give structure to your board and make it much easier to sort, filter, and review your pipeline later. Once the board is structured, begin adding your leads or customers as items. Each item should represent an individual lead, account, or deal, depending on how you want to organize your CRM. As you enter them, fill in as much relevant information as possible so your board becomes a reliable source of truth from the start. Clean, consistent data entry makes a big difference over time. After that, create the sales stages for your pipeline. These stages should reflect the journey from first contact to closed deal. For example, you might use stages like new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and closed. The exact names can match your process, but the important thing is that each stage clearly shows progress and helps your team understand what needs to happen next. Then assign each deal to the right person using the owner column. This creates accountability and avoids confusion, especially if multiple team members are involved in sales. Everyone should be able to see who is responsible for moving a deal forward. To make your workflow more efficient, add follow-up automations. These can help trigger reminders, notifications, or status updates based on follow-up dates or stage changes. Automation reduces manual work and helps your team stay responsive without relying on memory alone. Finally, use dashboards to track sales performance. Dashboards let you visualize deal progress, monitor revenue, and spot bottlenecks quickly. Once everything is in place, you'll have a CRM that is organized, collaborative, and much easier to manage.